In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete profile picture from Facebook account. So I'm starting here by opening Facebook and logging into my account first. Once I'm in and everything is loaded, I'm moving over to the top left corner and clicking on my name. That takes me straight to my profile page, and this is where I need to be before I can remove the current profile photo. Now that I'm on my profile, I'm clicking directly on my profile picture. As soon as I do that, I'm selecting See Profile Picture. That opens the photo by itself, and now I'm looking at the full profile image on the screen. At this point, I'm moving up to the top right corner of the photo because that's where the next option is. I can see the three dots there, so I'm clicking on those now to open the photo options menu. Once that menu opens, I'm looking through the list until I find delete photo. That's the option I need, so I'm clicking delete photo. Facebook then brings up a confirmation prompt just to make sure I really want to remove it. So I'm pausing for a second, checking that this is the photo I want to delete. And once I'm sure, I'm clicking delete to confirm. And that's it. Once I confirm it, Facebook removes the profile picture. After that, the account switches back to the default silhouette image. So if you were trying to remove your current profile photo completely and go back to the default look, this is exactly how you do it. So just to go through it smoothly as I'm doing it, I open Facebook and log into my account. Click my name at the top left corner, click my profile picture and choose See Profile Picture, then click the three dots at the top right corner of the photo. After that, I choose Delete Photo, click Delete to confirm, and Facebook removes the image. Once it's gone, it gets replaced with the default silhouette. If you're following along on your own screen, the main thing is just to make sure you open the actual profile picture first before looking for the three dots menu. Once the photo is open, the rest is very quick. You open the menu, choose delete photo, confirm it, and the change happens right away. So again, I'm opening Facebook, going to my profile, opening the profile picture, clicking the three dots, choosing delete photo, and confirming the delete. That's the full process from start to finish. And once you do it once, it's really easy to repeat later if you ever want to remove another profile picture and return to the default silhouette.